to talk about why we should take notes. Now, the most common answer you hear is that you take notes because they're useful for revision, as an example, before the exam. Now, that's an important thing, but that is not the only or even the most important reason for taking notes. The real reason why you should take notes is that it helps you understand better. Let me explain. Let's say you're reading something, right? So when you're reading or you're listening to, let's say, a video lecture, your mind is kind of making sense, right? But your brain will not be able to fully absorb it. When you take notes, and when I say take notes, I'm not talking about looking at something and just copying. That is a waste of time. But when you are thinking and reproducing that, right? In that process, now your brain is forced to go through each of the things that you have learned, and it builds connections, and now your understanding becomes very firm in a very short time period. I'll give an example. In 2004, I wrote the GMAT exam, and it used to have a portion called reading comprehension. So you'll get, let's say, a passage, right? And typically the passage will have a topic which is somewhat boring, not very interesting. So your mind will naturally not be very engaged. You have to force yourself, right? Now the way I went about it was, I would read a paragraph, and then quickly, in 2 or 3 sentences, very quickly I'll scribble the synthesis, the summary of that. The next para, again like 1 or 2 sentences, summary. Third para, the same thing. Now in that process, what happens is, in that very short time, right, my brain has been forced to understand, okay, this is what this say, and then you write it down. Now it may look like you are wasting some time, but actually you're not. In fact, this is the best way to solve this particular reading comprehension portion, but also in general, this is how we learn very, very effectively. So remember, taking notes, number 1, do not copy, right? And number 2, it is meant to make us understand better, not only for future revision or reference.